Welcome! If you love staying updated with the latest trends, ideas, and inspiration on Pinterest, you'll want to make sure you never miss a notification. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable permissions for push notifications on Pinterest using your PC, especially with the new update. Let's get started and make sure you're always in the loop. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Settings. This is where you can customize your Pinterest experience. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice a variety of options. What you want to do next is click on Notifications. This section controls how Pinterest communicates with you about new pins, messages, and updates. Now, scroll down until you see the Permissions section. This is where you can manage what Pinterest is allowed to do, including sending you push notifications. To enable push notifications, simply find the toggle or checkbox next to push and turn it on. This will allow Pinterest to send you real-time alerts directly to your desktop, so you're always the first to know about anything important. Once you've enabled push notifications, don't forget the final step. Click Save. This ensures all your changes are applied and your preferences are updated. Without saving, your settings won't take effect, so make sure you don't skip this part. And that's it. You've now enabled push notification permissions for Pinterest on your PC. With this simple setup, you'll never miss a new pin, comment, or message. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips and Pinterest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!